talked about environment variables in several previous videos, and those are accessible from the Manage tab. One subset of environment variables are tokens. And tokens are ways of storing information either about people or specific to courses. An example of a user token would be the first_name token. So what that looks like, and that's one that I don't have to create, it already exists in Angel. So let's say I create a course announcement and I type, let me edit this one, and I'll say hello $, first_name $, and type up the rest of my message. And when I hit save, and I can now see that what the user sees is, instead of seeing that first_name, they see their own name. Angel is going to check to see who it is who's logged in currently, and then supply the first name value that's stored in Angel for that person, so everybody sees their own name there. That would be a user token. An example of a custom token, I can create any token that I want, name anything, give it any text value. So if I go back to environment variables, I've got several of them here that are listed. So like I've got one called PL, and if I look at that, I can see that it has some text about the participant lounge. So I might want to say, like, if somebody sends me an email message and I really would prefer that they posted that to a discussion forum so everybody could see it, I might use this token in my email response to them. But let's create, another example would be the week 1 here. I've said January 14th to 22nd of Angel, or 21st of 21st. That's good. 21st is the those are the date ranges for week 1. And so in my course materials, I might say, you know, welcome to week 1, which runs from, and then use this week 1 token here. And then every quarter, and I might have that listed multiple places in my course, and then every quarter all I need to do is come in and change that variable value there. So from start to finish, let's create one. And we'll add a variable, and I'm going to call this one $123, and we'll give it some text. Okay, that's enough text. And hit save. And then now anywhere else that I use that in the text editor, like let's say I go to the course calendar and I create a new, oh, let's not go to the course calendar, let's go to this notes page here. And in the notes, I'm going to use that token 123. And when I look at that, I will see my text, fourscored 7 years ago. So this is particularly handy where I don't have access to the HTML editor and can't use the macros editor, which is another tool from another video. Like let's say in the grade entry grid, I wanted to give somebody some feedback for something, and I wanted to give them a score and some feedback without having to type the whole thing. And hit save. And now when Jack College goes and views his grade report and looks at the feedback, he will see the text of that token. So there you have it.